So you got eye floaters, okay? This is how I would get relief. I first understand it's from stagnant mucus in the head region. This mucus, okay? And why do you get mucus there? Because of acidosis. You've been eating the wrong foods, the protein and starches will cause acidosis. This is also, acidosis will cause weak parathyroid. The parathyroid is what deals with calcium utilization. When you have weak tissue, like in this case the eyes, the detachment of the eye retina or the pupils is due to weak parathyroid. So this needs to be addressed. Okay, so what would I do? I would use an eye wash. Okay, it has herbs like bilberry in there to help boost blood flow to the eye region as well as move mucus. I would also clean the sinuses. Anything you can use to clean the sinuses, do so, like blow your nose, clean your ears, drain the acid from the head region, clean the gut. Remember, the head sits on the GI tract. Okay, if it is not clean or if it's congested, you can drain acids out. Fix the kidney filtration. This is a kidney filtration issue because if the kidneys can't filter out the lymph system will back up with acids. Acids will affect your eyes. Okay, so clean the kidneys. And move the lymph system with a 100% fruit diet. Very important here. Okay, you want to fix the adrenals because they fight inflammation. Okay, but you gotta move the lymph system. 100% fruit diet is crucial. Alkalize the body with the fruits. Okay, 100% fruits. Stop eating protein and starches. Stop any cooked foods for now until you get this better. Because the cooked foods and proteins and starches will lead to acids buildup, acidosis. The herbs I would use: the parathyroid glandula, brain and nerve herbs, circulation herbs, bowel herbs. The fabulous 5. Okay, for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach and bowels. Kidney tea and endocrine herbs, and a bowel strength tincture if I'm constipated. And you see, in time, you get relief.